How to fix package installer keeps stopping problem on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To fix this issue, first launch Settings app on your device. Scroll down, tap on Apps. Select App Management. Now tap three dots at top right corner. Tap Source System. Now tap Search bar. Type in Package Installer and locate the app. Open it to access app information or package installer. Tap on storage uses and tap clear cache. Once you have done that, you need to check whether your issue resolved or not. If not, restart your device. Hold the power button on your device and simply slide towards restart. Sometimes simply restarting your device will fix these issues and error. So in this way you can easily fix package installer keeps stopping problem on Android. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.